So we're here at Lift11 here in Geneva, and what are you doing?
We are doing a chaotic workshop with lots of electronic stuff, lots of cables, and the Arduino. It's a little microcontroller platform. Here's one example. We just did a simple example with a little screen, two joysticks.
This is something you did here at the conference?
We did here on the conference. It took us 3 to 4 hours to complete. It's quite easy to program. We found already a library for the display. So it took us 3 to 4 hours. And with all the people that came here, we were playing around with little motors, with LEDs, with what else did we got? With sensors. And also, for the people who try to do something mechanical, we also took some plastic with us to make mechanical stuff. This is plastic that melts at 60 degrees. So you put it in hot water, you can form it with your hands, and then it gets hard and you have a sword.
All right, so basically people come in this corner with ideas, and you try to make them, or what? What happens?
Often they come here because they're curious, and we show them what we got, and they are trying a bit out all the stuff we have on the table.
What's over here?
That's just a servo motor that's turning. It's doing nothing specifically. It's just to show how to interface motors and the Arduino. It's just turning.
Alright, so it says here post Tenebras Lab. What is that?
It's our association. We're trying to create a hackerspace at Geneva. It's a place where all people interested in hacking and doing stuff with technology, they can meet at Geneva. And we're still looking for a space in Geneva. It's not easy in Geneva. And we haven't found a space yet, so we are coming to conferences. We are showing a bit what we are doing. We do meetings, we do workshops.
What can a hacker space do? Can you do anything? Like, what kind of hardware can you use? In theory, anything?
In theory, it can be everything. It's open to everyone. It's open to all ideas. It's a club for people who like technology, who like to share their ideas.
What kind of processors do you use right now, and what could you use, or anything?
What kind of processors?
These are microcontrollers, or?
We often use those Arduinos with the Admit chip because they're easy to program. If you want to make something fast, it's easy to use.
It's here in Geneva.
What?
The lab is here, or where is it?
We are looking for space.
It could be here.
Yeah. It will be here.
Yeah, it will be in Geneva. Yeah.
It will be in Geneva.
And you might make the next iPhone, or that's not where it comes from.
I don't know. It's just to share ideas, to share knowledge. It's not about developing real products.
Not necessarily. It's not going to end up in.
Maybe it will end up in a new idea that will.
How much does it cost, one of these?
The Arduino, it costs about 30 francs.
So 30 francs is like 20 euro for this, something like that, and basically all of these are something like that, right?
Yeah.
It's cheap hardware.
It's really cheap hardware. It's easy to interface. It's open source hardware, so.
And it's programmed using a Mac or using a.
You can use it with Windows, Mac, Linux, so it's open to all platforms.
Cool. All right. Thanks a lot.